Vivint Smart Lighting. Vivint Smart Lighting is a smart home lighting system that allows you to control your lights from anywhere using the Vivint app or your voice. You can also create custom schedules and scenes to fit your lifestyle. Here are some of the benefits of Vivint Smart Lighting. Convenience. Control your lights from anywhere using the Vivint app or your voice. Energy efficiency. Create custom schedules to turn your lights off when you don't need them. Security. Set lights to turn on when you enter a room, or create an away mode that makes it look like you're home when you're not. Customization. Create custom scenes to set the perfect mood for any occasion. Vivint Smart Lighting is compatible with a variety of smart bulbs and switches, so you can choose the ones that best fit your needs. You can also add Vivint Smart Lighting to your existing Vivint Smart Home system. If you're looking for a convenient, energy-efficient, and secure way to control your lights, Vivint Smart Lighting is a great option. Here are some additional details about Vivint Smart Lighting. Vivint Smart Lighting Bridge. The Vivint Smart Lighting Bridge is required to connect your smart bulbs. DARID. DARID is a Spanish company that specializes in the design and manufacture of home automation systems. The company offers a wide range of products, including smart lighting, thermostats, security systems, and door locks. DARID's products are designed to be easy to use and install, and they are compatible with a variety of smart home platforms. DARID is a relatively new company, but it has quickly gained a reputation for quality and innovation. The company's products have been featured in a number of publications, and they have won several awards. DARID is committed to providing its customers with the best possible home automation experience, and the company is constantly developing new products and features. Here are some of the key features of DARID home automation systems. Easy to use. DARID products are designed to be easy to use, even for people who are not tech-savvy. The company's mobile app is simple to navigate. Stellar Lighting Stair Light Controller. Motion sensor activation. The lights turn on automatically when someone walks up or down the stairs, and they turn off after a preset amount of time. This helps to save energy and prevents the lights from being left on unnecessarily. Daylight sensor. The lights can be set to turn off automatically during the day when there is enough natural light. This is another energy-saving feature. Customizable settings. You can customize the settings for the lights, such as the brightness, the delay time, and the light effect. Easy installation. The controllers are easy to install and can be done by a DIY enthusiast. Safety. The lights will always be on when you need them, which can help to prevent accidents. Energy efficiency. The lights will only be on when they are needed, which can help you to save money on your energy bills. Convenience. You don't have to worry about turning the lights on and off yourself. Aesthetics. The lights can add a touch of elegance and style to your home. Types of Stellar Lighting Stair Light Controllers. Versa Lift. Attic lifts. Versa Lift attic lifts are designed to help you make the most of your attic space. They are easy to install and use, and they can help you store a variety of items, such as seasonal decorations, holiday decorations, and out-of-season clothing. Garage storage systems. Versa Lift garage storage systems are designed to help you organize and declutter your garage. They are made from heavy-duty materials and can be customized to fit your specific needs. Versa Lift attic lifts. Versa Lift attic lifts are available in a variety of models to fit different attic sizes and needs. All Versa Lift attic lifts come with the following features. Electric motor. The electric motor makes it easy to raise and lower the lift. Safety features. The lifts come with a number of safety features, such as safety stops and a safety lock. Remote control. The lifts can be controlled using a remote control, so you can operate them from anywhere in your attic. Versa Lift garage storage systems. Total Lifting Solutions car lift. Total Lifting Solutions, TLS, is a company that manufactures a wide variety of car lifts, including two-post lifts. Two-post lifts are the most common type of car lift. They are typically used in home garages and auto repair shops. Four-post lifts are more stable than two-post lifts, so they are a good option for lifting heavier vehicles. They are also often used in commercial auto repair shops. Sear lifts. Sear lifts are a type of car lift that uses a sear mechanism to raise and lower the vehicle. They are a good option for lifting vehicles with low ground clearance. Mobile lifts. Mobile lifts are portable car lifts that can be easily moved around the garage or shop. They are a good option for occasional use, or for lifting vehicles in tight spaces. TLS car lifts are known for their quality, durability, and affordability. They are also backed by a comprehensive warranty. TLS car lifts come with a variety of features, including safety features. TLS car lifts come with a number of safety features. Zephyr Lift Downdraft Kitchen Vent. The Zephyr Lift Downdraft Kitchen Vent is a luxury ventilation system that combines powerful performance with a sleek, modern design. It is designed to be mounted under the countertop and rises when activated, effectively capturing smoke, grease, and odors before they can spread throughout the kitchen. Powerful suction, with up to 1000 CFM of suction power, the Zephyr Lift Downdraft can handle even the most demanding cooking tasks. Tri-Capture Zone. The unique Tri-Capture Zone design ensures that smoke, grease, and odors are captured from all three directions. Bright Strip LED Lighting. The dual-level Bright Strip LED lighting provides excellent task lighting and ambience. Four-way ducting. The four-way ducting allows for flexible installation options. Optional recirculating kit. A recirculating kit is available for use in kitchens where ducting to the outside is not possible. Effective ventilation. The Zephyr Lift Downdraft effectively removes smoke, grease, and odors from the kitchen, keeping the air clean and fresh. Sleek design. iSMART. iSMART is a smart home system that allows you to control your lights, thermostat, security system, and other devices from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. It is a relatively new company, but it has quickly gained a reputation for quality and innovation. iSMART products are designed to be easy to use and install, and they are compatible with a variety of smart home platforms. Easy to use. iSMART products are designed to be easy to use, even for people who are not tech-savvy. The company's mobile app is simple to navigate, and the products can be controlled using voice commands. Versatile. iSMART products are compatible with a variety of smart home platforms, so you can use them with the devices you already own. Reliable. iSMART products are built to last, and they are backed by a comprehensive warranty. Secure. iSMART products are designed with security in mind, and they use the latest encryption technology to protect your data. Smart lighting. iSMART offers a variety of smart lighting products, including dimmers, switches, and bulbs. Freedom Stove's Independence PS-1 Pellet Stove. The Freedom Stove's Independence PS-1 Pellet Stove is a powerful and efficient pellet stove that can heat up to 1,800 square feet. It features a variety of innovative features, including a 2x4 battery backup, Wi-Fi capability, and a large hopper that can hold up to 50 pounds of pellets. Powerful heating. With 34,700 BTUs of heat output, the Independence PS-1 can heat up to 1,800 square feet. 2x4 battery backup. The stove can operate for up to 40 hours on two 12V batteries, so you can stay warm even during power outages. Wi-Fi capability. The stove can be controlled remotely using a smartphone or tablet. Large hopper. The 50-pound hopper can hold enough pellets for up to 24 hours of continuous burning. Easy to use. The stove is easy to operate and features a user-friendly control panel. Quiet operation.